Hey, what to do, everybody? My name is Rory, aka Rowan. I want to welcome you back to the second episode of Rosa Ice Reviews, where I not only review jewelry from companies that you suggest to me, but also pieces that I buy for my everyday self. And today, guys, I got something a little bit weird, a little bit whack, a little bit crazy, a little bit sketchy, to be honest, but it's a mystery box from none other than Aporrobrand. Now, I don't know if you've seen Aporrobrand, but they market pretty hard on Instagram and Facebook. If you haven't come across one of their ads for one of their wand collection pieces or their crushed ice collection, I would be surprised. So today, I got a mystery box that apparently is valued at $279, comes with 3 pieces, and I haven't even taken a look in this box, so I went ahead and copped this for y'all so we can do a live unboxing. And I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this up right now and see if Aporro really fucking hit. Let's get it. Alright, everybody, so as you can see, that's what comes in the initial box when you receive this mystery box item. Right here we got the Aporro gift bag with the gold lettering. That's pretty cool. I kind of like the way they did that right there, but we're just going to put that to the side right now. And then bada bing bada boom, we got the Aporro box, the standard box. I am kind of upset though, because I have bought Aporro before and it did come in this box, and I was hoping that the 4th anniversary mystery box would actually come in the little purple box that it showed on the website. So I'm kind of disappointed that it didn't come in that, but without further ado, everybody, let's go ahead and let's open this box up and see what we got in here. So bada bing bada boom. Okay, so it looks like they individually package everything. So let's take everything out right here. So we got, oh, we got 3, wait, is there anything in? Okay, there is something in there. There is something in there, guys. And then we got an Aporro card. What is this? Let's open this up. Throw that to the side. Get that out of here. Sticker. We don't need that. Trash. And let's see. Well, I don't even know. I'll rip this open right now. Check this out. So we got Aporro. Hello, valued customer. I just want to take a second to thank you for your business and your recent purchase. Okay, so pretty much just a little business card. Honestly, kind of worthless. Just going to toss that in the trash. And then right here we got the dust bag. I kind of do like it when they do send a dust bag, because I really like to keep my jewelry just in dust bags. I don't really have a jewelry case or anything. So, oh, look at that. It even has a little Aporrobrand on it right there. That's pretty cool. All right, Aporro, New York. So, and then we got, oh, trash, just the beads. And that's pretty much it. That's all that comes in the box. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start opening these little packages and see what's in here, guys. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so this is the lightest bag right here, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open up this one first, and boom, we got that open. This is really light. I have no clue. I think this is just earrings, so let's toss that to the side, that bag out of here. And yeah, I'm pretty sure they're earrings. Let's open this up, rip off the plastic. Oh yeah, it's a earring. It's not even earrings, it's a earring. Okay, alright, let's dang, if I could get it out of this freaking, there we go. Yeah, just rip that open, trash that. And wow, okay, so we got a little electric earring. The gemstones on it are pretty shiny, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I kind of like it. My ears aren't pierced, so no, I would never wear this. Let's see if we can get that to focus in a little bit. A little too flashy for me. If I even had earrings, I'd probably just have studs. But yeah, so there's the earring right now. Let me go get the price for y'all. Alright, y'all, so this piece on Aporro, the lightning bolt earring, is priced at $60. Now, I'm not sure if that's $60 for a set of 2 or $60 for just one individually, but yep, that's what it is. Little opening and closing mechanism is pretty cool right here. It has a little weight to it for an earring, too. I mean, I don't know how much earrings really weigh, but yeah, this seems pretty heavy for an earring. It's definitely not bad quality. I like the piece, but I'm not going to wear it. So if you want this piece, definitely comment down in the section below. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Let's go ahead and let's get on to the next item. Alright, y'all, here we are with the second item right now. So I don't know what this is. If it's not an earring, it's a little bit heavier. I think it's like a ring. Yeah, I think it's a ring. So let's open up. Let's check this out. So here we go. Oh, it's a pendant. Okay, so we got a little dragon pendant. I think it might be from the wand collection, but I don't really know. I haven't looked at the pendants a lot. I don't really buy a lot of pendants, and I don't know what it's made out of, but it looks like it's either made out of, here, let's get this packaging out of the way. Looks like it's made out of silver, but I don't think they do silver from what I've seen, so I think this is either white gold or brass, which I don't know if they'd give us white gold in a mystery box. That seemed like it'd be too much value, but look at the detail on that. I don't know if this is focusing in on it, but look at the pearl in the middle. And the pearl, does the pearl move? Yeah, no, it doesn't really move a little bit, but man, just look at the detail on this dragon. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna have to go get one of my chains out and put this on my chain and give y'all a neck profile real quick. Hold on, let's check it out. Alright, y'all, so I almost didn't have a chain that fit this. The opening on it is really small, but this is how it looks. It's on a 14 karat solid white gold chain right now. And yeah, it looks pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie, I actually do like this. I might wear this pendant. It just doesn't match the shine of the white gold, so I might have to try to find another chain to put this on, but this is how it looks. Alright, so I was correct, y'all. This is part of the Wong collection. It's called the Wong Coiled Dragon Pearl Pendant, and it is valued at $85.99. That is crazy. So they also have this pendant in yellow or white, and it is not gold. It is made out of brass. This piece is pretty crazy. I do like the intricacy of it, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on to the third and final piece. Alright, so we are on to the final package that comes in this Aporro mystery box, and this one is heavy, y'all. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. And okay, I think it's a bracelet, and it might be from the Wong collection, maybe. Who knows? I gotta see. Does it have a dragon on it? Nope, I don't see a dragon. So let's, if I could get this out of the freaking package, lay it down right there, put that package to the side, and oh, okay. So I actually haven't seen this before on their website. I don't know what this is, but it's a broken heart. I don't know if y'all can see that clearly. It has a whole bunch of stones on it. They probably cubic zirconia, and it has this really annoying shrink wrap on it. Oh, dude, I hate it when they do this with jewelry. Why would you put this super annoying shrink wrap? I don't even know how to get this off, man. Like, what the heck? Is there a trick to this, guys? Okay, hold on. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's kind of peeling. Okay, I got the trick. So we just gotta peel it going down. And dude, this bracelet looks really nice. This is probably the big bang buck that gives most of the value in the packaging. Here we go. It's just kind of, I don't want to mess up any of the links or anything. And here we go, pulling it right off, and there we go. And this has some decent weight to it, y'all. So let's check it out. Look at the shininess. It's really nice. I don't know. This is probably just like polished brass, but there we go. We got the bracelet right here. Let's try to open up, see if the usually Aporro does like the inside. And how do I open this? What the heck? They put gems on the inside, and there we go. Dude, that was really hard to open up for no reason. So look at that. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this bracelet on and show you what it looks like. Hit you with the wrist profile. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I am actually super freaking surprised. So I went on Aporro's website to see what this is, and it's a 12mm broken heart box clasp Cuban bracelet, and it is valued at $169.99. And I am so surprised that it is actually brass with white gold plating. It doesn't say what purity of white gold, whether it's 10, 14. I'm just surprised that we got any gold out of this freaking mystery box, guys. This is crazy. Alright, y'all, so this tier of the Aporro mystery box cost $124, and it is just crazy, man. So we have the earring right here that's valued at $60, and then we have the pendant that's valued at $85.99, and then we have the bracelet that's valued at $169.99. Add that all up, and that is $315.98 worth of pure value. Alright, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the 4th anniversary mystery box from Aporro.com. If you have any recommendations or anybody that you want to see me do a review on, definitely comment down below. Let me know, and if you want this earring or this pendant, leave a comment down below, and maybe we'll start a giveaway pretty soon. Make sure you drop a like on the channel for me, hit that sub button if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next review. Later.